This thing is pretty cool. It's a Quinn 14-in-1 painter's tool. This is everything it can do. I had to buy this to fix the washing machine. It's pretty nice. Phillips bit down here, whatever other bit, and wrenches and scraper and all sorts of stuff. And then whenever you're working on German cars, they got those stupid lug nuts that come out and then the wheel falls down. This hangs the wheel up for you. That's pretty cool. And then got this 2100 Lumina rechargeable floodlight. Can never have too many lights. So this thing is bright. Low, medium, high. Pretty nice.